You want something easy, something fast, but still warm and comforting. Today we're cooking one-pan dinner. Just one pan, simple ingredients, and a warm, comforting dinner. Take a breath. Let the kitchen be quiet. And let's begin. I start with the chicken. I cut it into small cubes, bite-sized. Easy to cook, easy to eat. Now I'm chopping the vegetables. An onion, cut into small pieces. Garlic, just enough for aroma. A carrot, thin slices, nothing perfect. And fresh tomatoes, soft and juicy. Kale or spinach would be a great addition. Everything is ready. No stress. No extra bowls. I heat a little oil in the pan. The pan is warm now. The onion goes in first. Listen to that sound. That's where flavor begins. I let the onion cook slowly until it turns golden. Not rushed, just patient. Now the garlic. Only a few seconds until it smells warm and gentle. The chicken goes in next. I spread it out and let it cook undisturbed. Golden edges, soft inside. Now the carrots join the pan. They add sweetness and a little color. I stir gently. Next, the tomatoes, fresh and bright. Salt, black pepper, a pinch of oregano. Simple spices, nothing loud. 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, just enough to deepen the flavor. I let everything cook together for a couple of minutes. Now I pour in the cream, slowly. The sauce becomes soft and silky. Now the orzo pasta, right into the pan. I pour in chicken broth, just enough to cover everything. I lower the heat, cover the pan, and let it simmer, quietly, for 5 minutes. This part doesn't need attention, just time. I open the lid. The orzo is tender now. The sauce thickened naturally. Spinach goes in. You can use kale too. I fold it gently into the pan. It wilts slowly, becoming part of the dish. The kitchen smells warm now, comforting, familiar. Another 5 minutes. Low heat, no stirring. The pan comes off the heat. I serve it warm, right away. Parmesan on top, lightly grated, creamy, comforting, made without rushing. This is why I love one-pan dinners. Simple steps, less dishes, less stress. When food takes care of itself, you can finally slow down.